I'm Paul Chung, and I am the Culinary Director for Saison Hospitality.
I'm Richard Lee. I'm the chef de cuisine here at Saison Restaurant.
I'm from Fairfax, Virginia. I've trained all over the world from France, Japan, New York, Chicago.
I'm from San Francisco, born and raised here. Then I moved out to New York, where I worked at 11 Madison Park for about 6-7 years. Eventually, life brought me back to San Francisco. We are really blessed in Northern California to be around some really amazing farms, some passionate farmers.
That's kind of how the idea of live fire cooking came to be, where we have access to these beautiful products, and how do we enhance it by doing as little to it as possible.
It's something that a lot of cultures have done in the past, but I think it's our job here to elevate that. It's our Sonoma duck. It's dry aged in house for 14 days. Then we smoke it, rub it with honey and spices, and roast it off. We take the hearts and the gizzards, we marinate those, and we cook it over the fire. We take the legs, turn it into a sausage, wrap it in leaves that we foraged from around the area, and then we take the bones and we make a sauce with it.
Everything that comes on this dish has to touch the fire in some way. Our beverage program is phenomenal.
In San Francisco, it's definitely one of the older beverage programs in fine dining. We have a really deep wine list. There's a lot of really cool wines on there. Just the spirit and the energy that that wine team bring to the dining room, it's really infectious. This energy that goes to the dining room, which kind of matches the energy of this open kitchen that we have. Our playlist includes a lot of 80s. It's been kind of a signature of the restaurant.
We start off with softer lo-fi beats as the guests are coming in, and as they're hitting their entree courses, you could hear our music kind of speed up and bring a little bit more energy to it. And as they're leaving, it kind of tapers back down as you get ready for the next turn. We actually use our playlist as auditory cues to know, like, where should we be in the dining experience right now. The food and the cocktails and the wine have to be amazing, but the open kitchen, the interaction from our staff, that's the full experience. The way I like to feel when I come eat here is as if I'm just at a really good friend's house. And those are the memories that I like to take home with me.